Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this colorful mosaic background with an easy method that I believe everyone can do. Alright, let's get started. First, select the rectangle tool. Before drawing, check if you've set the fill color to black and remove the stroke. Then, draw a rectangle that fits perfectly with the artboard. Open the Layers panel. Of course, there will only be one object, which is the rectangle we just drew. Click and hold the layer, then drag it down to the plus icon to duplicate the layer. Next, lock the first layer to prevent accidental changes. Then, select the top layer to continue working on it. Change the color of the rectangle. When I work, I like to use different colors to make it easier to see. Next, use the Line Segment tool to draw a line that goes across the entire artboard. Switch the color settings. Set the fill to none and the stroke to black. Adjust the stroke thickness to something like this. Draw the lines crossed over each other like this. Once you're satisfied, use the black arrow to select everything. In this case, we don't want to include the rectangle at the bottom. Hold down Shift and click on the rectangle. This will deselect it from the selection. But I have another trick for selecting objects. If you don't want to use the previous method, you can use the Magic Wand tool instead. Simply click on any line, and it will automatically select all similar objects like this. Then, go to the Object menu. Select Path, Outline Stroke to convert the strokes into regular shapes. Next, go to the Pathfinder panel. If you can't find it, go to the Window menu and select Pathfinder, and click Unite to merge all the lines into one solid shape. Now, select the rectangle at the bottom along with the merged lines. Use the Pathfinder minus front option to subtract the lines from the rectangle. Once the rectangle is cut out, it will look like this, making it transparent so you can see through to the background. Use the Direct Selection tool to click on the pieces you want, then choose any color you like. See? It's super easy to create an abstract, colorful mosaic background. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on more cool techniques. See you in the next video. Bye!